Dumpster rental service in Republic, Missouri. For dependable dumpster rental service in Republic, Missouri, choose Dumpster417. We are committed to providing high-quality dumpster rentals to homeowners, businesses, and contractors throughout Republic, Missouri. No project is too large or too small for us. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, remodeling your home, or managing a construction site, our dumpster rental service has the perfect waste disposal solution. Our straightforward process makes it easy to schedule a dumpster, and we guarantee prompt delivery and pickup to keep your project on track. We're here to make junk removal simple and stress-free. As a local company, we understand the unique needs of Republic residents and businesses. We offer personalized support, honest communication, and responsive service every step of the way. You'll never deal with hidden fees, just transparent pricing, reliable service, and a team that genuinely cares about your experience. We also prioritize eco-friendly practices, responsible waste management, and doing our part to keep the Republic community clean and green. With years of experience, we've built a reputation for dependable and affordable dumpster rental services. Our customers trust us for jobs big and small. Let Dumpster417 help simplify your next cleanup or renovation project. For fast and reliable dumpster rentals in Republic, call 417-501-3867. We're here to make a clean difference. Let's start today.